India's financial markets are booming, but with that growth comes a new generation of highly sophisticated financial fraud. And today we are exposing another shocking case of digital deception, one where the victim was a senior citizen who trusted the wrong people at the wrong time. For 4 years, 72-year-old Mumbai resident Bharat Harakchand Shah believed his life savings were safe. But one phone call changed everything, revealing a staggering 35 crore debt that he had never created. So what exactly was the scam? How did it run undetected for years? And most importantly, how you can protect your money and your family from such organized financial frauds? Let's break it down. Bharat Harakchand Shah runs a low-cost guest house for cancer patients in Parade. He and his wife inherited a valuable share portfolio back in 1984, but never had any experience in stock trading. For nearly 3 decades, their share remained untouched, safe, until 2020 when a friend suggested a well-known brokerage, Global Capital Market Limited. That single recommendation changed their lives forever. Shah opened Demat and trading accounts with Global Capital and moved his inherited shares. Everything appeared legitimate. Professional calls, polite representatives, and attractive promises such as no additional investment needed, shares will be safely used as collateral, dedicated personal guides will manage everything. 2 employees, Akshay Baria and Karan Siroya, were assigned as these guides. But what looked like guidance was actually grooming. They started calling daily, telling Shah which buttons to press, which orders to place. Soon they were visiting his home, using their own laptops and devices, sending emails, even operating his accounts directly. And what exactly did they need from Shah? Just one thing, his trust and his OTPs. Shah unknowingly gave them everything they needed, every OTP, every SMS, every approval. He believed that they were professionals helping him, but behind the scenes, they were carrying out unauthorized trades, high volume, high risk positions, circular trading, and massive hidden losses, all of which was buried beneath fake annual profit statements that showed green arrows and growth. From 2020 to 2024, for 4 long years, Shah believed his portfolio was flourishing. In reality, it was collapsing. Then came July 2024. Shah received a call from Global Capital Risk Management Department informing him, you have a debt of rupees 35 crore. Pay immediately or your shares will be sold. Shah rushed to the company only to discover that unauthorized trades had been executed, losses had skyrocketed, shares worth crore had already been sold, and circular trading had pushed his account deep into debt. To save what remained, he was forced to sell his remaining shares just to clear the debt. But the biggest shock came later. When Shah downloaded the original trading statement from the Global Capital website and compared it to the profit statement sent to him, the truth was undeniable. The profit statements were fake. The actual ledger showed massive continuous losses. His account had been manipulated for years, and the worst, the company had responded to National Stock Exchange notices in his name without even informing him. So this wasn't confusion or mistake, but was an organized financial fraud. After that, Shah filed a detailed FIR at Vanrai police station. The charge included IPC 409 criminal breach of trust, IPC 420 cheating and other sections related to financial fraud. The case has now been handed over to the Mumbai Police Economic Offences Wing, the specialized unit that handles major financial crimes. For individuals and families investing in the stock market, it is crucial to follow key protective measures to safeguard your assets and mitigate the risk of financial fraud. Number 1. Never share your OTPs with anyone, including brokers. Only you should authorize trades. Number 2. Always download account statement directly from NSE or BSE portals. Number 3. No broker or representative should ever access or operate your phone number or computer. Number 4. Check your financial records frequently, including ledger balance, margin statements, contract notes, daily trade summaries. Number 5. Enable two-factor authentication linked only to your personal phone number and email. Number 6. Any broker or advisor claiming they will handle everything for you is a red flag, not a privilege. Number 7. If you notice suspicious activity, report it promptly through SEBI, NSE or local police channels.
While adopting these key security steps is vital for everyone, it also raises a deep question. Why our senior citizens are constantly being targeted and victimized with such precision, such confidence and such cruelty? The reason is simple. For fraudsters, senior citizens are the easiest to manipulate and the most profitable to exploit. They possess a key set of vulnerabilities that scammers relentlessly target. First, they trust official sounding calls, whether it's from a bank, a broker, or a police official. Second, they are unfamiliar with complex, new age digital threats. Third, they fear anything that sounds like a legal trouble, a tax notice, or a government penalty. Scammers use exactly these 3 psychological weaknesses to trap them, and the numbers paint a frightening picture on the scale of these crime across India. Cybercrime against seniors have surged by 86% between 2020 and 2022. The Reserve Bank of India reported a staggering 41,000 crore worth of fraud involving senior citizens in 2021 to 2022. The NCRB recorded a 9.3% rise in crime against seniors in 2022, much of its linked to financial scams. By 2024, India was witnessing 7,000 cybercrime cases every single day, according to the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. And the Supreme Court itself noted that over 3,000 crore has been looted from elderly victims through a terrifying new method, digital arrest. This isn't random crime anymore. This is an organized industry.
Bharat Shah case is a stark warning. In today's world, even a single lapse of trust can cost a lifetime of savings. Financial fraud is ruthless, and only awareness and caution can keep you safe. If you or someone in your family has ever fallen victim to a financial fraud or unauthorized trading, share your story in the comment section and we will try to cover it in our next video.